Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the battery percentage on Vivo phones. So in here I have this Vivo device, and as you guys can see at the top the top right corner in here, this is my battery percentage, and you can see the battery percentage at the top right corner. So my setting is currently on, and here I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. So first, you can just do it by going to the settings app on your phone, and then you can just scroll down until you find the battery options. Click on that. Okay, so in here you can see this is my current battery percentage, 46%. And if you want to turn it on or off, you can go to this battery style and percentage. By going to this, you can set the battery style and percentage displayed on the status bar. So at the top, this is the status bar. Let's just click on that. Here you can see this is the battery style. So currently my battery style is circle. You can see this one's right here at the top, and at the bottom this is the battery percentage. So this is the option display outside battery. Let's change the style into horizontal, for example. You can see you can also choose to display it inside the battery for the horizontal battery style. Let's see it. You can see it will automatically change at the top, and then let's change it into vertical. So on vertical, you can only choose to display outside battery like the one on circle. But if you want to turn off the battery percentage, you can just click on this do not display. So now the battery style only shown the bar in here, but not the percentage. So to turn it back on, you can just choose the style that you want, and then choose to display it outside or inside the battery, just like this. Okay, so choose your battery style and percentage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple Vivo device tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.